Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Raul, and here I'm doing a little bit more work to my 71 Olds 442, the Johan kit. And I'm going to do some more detail painting to the chassis and the engine and see if I can get that finished today, and maybe a little bit more on the interior tub as far as detail painting. But you guys have been wanting to see how I do my brushing. It's really nothing special, but figured why not? I'll let the film roll while I'm brushing and doing some of this stuff and get you caught up on some of it. As far as this goes, I did do some assembly and blacking out and getting the body ready for the rest of it. So this is coming along. But, it wasn't a whole lot to show there, just a whole lot of brushing. So I just did all of that and then glued the firewall and the radiator support in and started getting it ready for the bumpers and stuff, which are over here, but those are going to need some detail painting as well. But the motor, here's the motor. Just glued together and painted. And then blacked out the coil right there. That's as far as I got on that. Here's a tranny. And filled that in, painted that. That's pretty much ready to be glued on. But I got a few parts to detail paint here. And then the wheels. Wheels are looking great. Got them assembled. Just glued them together since you last saw them when I foiled them. And these are the original Johan tires. So some of them, the white walls are off print just a little bit, but they're what they had in original, so I'm just going to keep them. The ones I had re-chromed a long time ago, or not really a long time ago, but they were the wrong ones. They were much too thick, and I don't know if they're the ones that came with this one or if I mixed them up, but that's why I decided to go with those. And distributor's pretty much ready. Some of the detail painting on this isn't all that much to do. I had to paint the alternator, the gas tank, some more stuff there. And this one being not a W30 car, that's why the valve covers are engine color and not chrome. Air cleaner is going to be black. And then no red inner fenders, which that's only on the W30 cars, if Oldsmobile guys are wondering or noticed. I'm not doing this one as a W30, so that's why the inner fenders are black. Did that on some other W30s. But, and some miscellaneous detail painting. So I may speed this up, may add some music. I'm not sure, how I'm going to edit this one. But I figured I would let it roll, and we'll start off with the steel here. times I'll paint the alternator off the pulleys, but this one was glued on and I couldn't get it off. Remember, this was a restoration. This is broken right here, and I'm going to put a little dab of super glue on a toothpick here and just dab it in there and get that to stick before I glue that in place. Give that a little bit to dry, and then I guess I'll get the tranny ready to glue in. Trying to make sure I had the air cleaner pointed in the right direction. Now I'll get some of the other areas I need to touch up. kind of a pain when there really isn't anything to hold the engine in but the metal axle. Just a flat piece you can kind of put glue on, but this one fits so snug. Don't have a decal for here. Wish I did. I'll go through my stash, but I'm pretty sure I don't. Alright, I think that completes the chassis there, so it's pretty much done. And get the interior finished up, and we'll be gluing this one all the rest together, but pretty happy with that. And then I'll get glued in here soon. I'll glue that in after I glue the chassis in, detail paint that, and then finish detailing up the interior. But thanks for tuning in, subscribing, and all your comments. I really appreciate it. And you guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next Saturday.